Hey Pookie, welcome to Hire Experts. Let me show you around. This is part of our administrative space. No cap, this place has survived. This is our HR department. Those girls here are always serving. The recruitment team is always buzzing.
Yeah!
Oh, but look what we got here. The engagement department. This team is very cutesy, very demure, very mindful. It's given main character energy. This meeting room has so much riz. This is where we take our daily cup of tea. Hey, girly pop, let's spill the tea. This is where our agents have been cooking. Here we got good energy, real talent, and people are actually doing their thing. Honestly, it's giving growth. If you want to work somewhere where they actually care, say less. We do the work, we show up, and we slay. At Hire Expert, we got 100,000 aura points.